How to set online reservation page. From the video related to hotel information part, we have explained how to set up the home page of the hotel's online booking engine. More detailed definitions and settings related to online reservation page can be found under the Online Reservation Settings part. In the Visibility Options segment under Online Booking Definitions, we can simply tick the box next to the features we want to be displayed on our page. For those that we do not want to have displayed, we should simply untick the related box. For example, we may decide whether to have extra services displayed, to allow payments with multiple credit cards, where to place promotion codes, etc. Which one of these features we would like to activate or deactivate will be based on our hotel characteristics and preferences. Date and time of the last update that was made to this page will be automatically displayed. By clicking on the Update button, we will have the desired changes saved and applied. Next, under Settings segment, we will have part displayed to guests' personal and contact information settings. From these two sections, we can activate or deactivate the desired box next to the type of information that we may hold mandatory for potential guests to fill out while making online reservation. For example, we can activate the box that assumes that all personal information should be required, as well as gender, passport number, and other fields that may be chosen as obligatory ones. From Hotel Info settings, we can select which of general information features about our property to use. For example, we can select or deselect hotel intro text, features, photos, etc. Hotel features can easily be added. All we have to do is simply click on feature that is displayed in the list, which is also offered in our property. If this feature comes with a certain charge, then we should also tick the box that appears in the field. These features will be displayed in the lower part of the online reservation page.